Well, they're working to take things to a whole new level with this next story.
Yeah, and by whole new level, we mean the top of your bookshelf. This is no joke. The makers of Q-tips have now created a 6-foot version of their cotton swabs. Now, the company calls them Huge Tips and says they are meant for cleaning and DIY projects. Q-Tip says customers have been using regular cotton swabs for tasks like dusting high shelves and cleaning tight spaces, and we remove makeup, right? With that. And we've been asking for larger versions. Well, they got one. The oversized swabs sell for $35 online and are designed to work like the original Q-Tip that has been sold for more than a century, just a lot larger. That's a big Q-Tip.
Imagine the box that comes in. And I tell you what, Paul Bunyan, Jolly Green Giant, they've been wanting to clear their ears for hundreds of years. Now keep in mind, I'm 6'4", so the Q-tip would come up to about right there. Take away my hairpiece, go about right there. So that's like,
maybe you can clean your hairpiece with it.
So that's like 4 inches. Okay, so like about right there.
He's gone batty. Restaurant chain Denny's is taking one of its signature flavors from the plate to the pavement there, Mr. Stone.
In honor of National Syrup Day on December 17th, Denny's is unveiling its Sticky Kicks, the world's first sneakers made with real maple syrup. The limited edition high tops have a clear sealed panel filled with Denny's syrup. The shoes have syrup-colored patent leather, yellow accents, and Denny's logo. Sticky Kicks come in adult sizes for men 8 through 13 and will be available starting at dinerdrip.com for about $195 a pair. And I know you want to lick them, Greg, but it's a compartment. It's a compartment. It's not the outside of it.
How much do you think that would smell come like mid-August?
Show me horrible.
Show me horrible.
Well, artificial intelligence gets a bad rap sometimes, but there is one way it's using its powers for good stuff, like folding laundry.
Meet Isaac, a robot equipped with cameras and sensors that can sort, fold, and stack piles of clothes with surprising precision, although not with much speed, taking about 2 minutes per item. That's okay. Weave Robotics, the company behind Isaac, says these domestic robots are giving people something money can't buy, and that is freedom.
We want to make sure that people don't have to spend time doing things that they don't want to do.
The big question, can you do fitted sheets?
Fitted sheets? Oh, with the elastic band. God, I can't do those even.
So that's a no.
Isaac is just the beginning. Neo, a humanoid by Palo Alto startup,
Creepy.
1X, is set to hit the market in 2026, but it could be a while before these automated helpers are in most homes. The price tags are in the tens of thousands of dollars, and we should find out if Neo can use the large Q-tip to clean the top of the shelf.
Well, the thing, if you look at the little hands, they look like little duck heads. The one walking through the house, that one's creepy. But I like the fact he's just like, yes, I'm folding clothes, and he's just like... One,
I'm doing your...
I have a little holder in there so it doesn't move.
You do have a holder.
Time now for Pause for Pets.
Secrets out. Secrets out.